Alright, let's look at the answers of the quiz we took together. See how many you got right. Let's go. Question 1. A YouTuber shares their daily routine and study tips. The answer is not research. Why? Because this is just personal experience, not a systematic study. Question 2. A survey conducted with 100 students about study habits. The answer is research. Why? Because data is collected and analyzed systematically. Question 3. Reading a Wikipedia article about climate change. The answer is not research. Why? Because it is just information. It is not original research. Question 4. A paper published in a journal after peer review. The answer is research. Why? Because it has been reviewed and validated by experts in the field. Question 5. My friend says studying at night is better. The answer is not research. Why? Because this is just an opinion without any evidence behind it. Quick recap. Opinion, not research. Data, research. Reading, not research. Published work, research. Random claims, not research. If you got this, you're already thinking like a researcher. Answer 1. Which statements about starting independent research are true? The correct answers are B and DB. Start with a simple question, then refine. D. Follow the steps. Define, search, design, collect, analyze, and report. Answer 2. Which statements about the academic research process are true? The correct answers are A and BA. It has milestones like proposal, data collection, analysis, and writing. B. It can be done in steps with iterative improvement. Answer 3. What helps you conduct independent research effectively? The correct answers are A and CA. Define a focused question. C. Plan a literature search strategy. Answer 4. What helps you write a structured academic paper? The correct answers are A and CA. Create an outline before writing. C. Draft a strong literature review first. Answer 5. Which statements about submitting to journals are true? The correct answers are A and CA. Pick your venue early in planning. C. Revisions based on reviewer feedback are completely normal. Answer 6. Which statements about data collection are accurate? The correct answers are A and DA. Data collection can be planned and scaled to your resources. D. You can design a method and then test feasibility. Answer 7. What strategies develop academic thinking? The correct answers are A and CA. Evaluate your sources for credibility. C. Formulate hypotheses and test them. Answer 8. What describes effective writing beyond math-heavy fields? The correct answers are A and BA. Writing is about clarity, structure, and argument. B. You can rely on simple methods or literature-based analysis. Answer 9. What does independence in research mean? The correct answers are A and CA. Work with mentors for guidance but make your own decisions. C. Conduct your own data analysis. Answer 10. Which milestones are realistic for a 3 to 6 month project? The correct answers are A and CA. Define a focused research question. C. Create a feasible plan and milestones. And that is all the answers. How many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments. Follow Research Ramp for more content that helps you think, write, and publish like a researcher. See you next